I have released a new automated MQL4 robot trading system on January 1, 2021. This is a live experiment to show you what is working and why it is working. And I would like you to do it with me. Okay, this is day 2 for this crowd algo trading experiment, and I have created a playlist for it, so you can monitor the progress in case you are interested. Today is Saturday, the markets are closed, and I have created a demo version of the MQL4 algorithmic trading system I use. You can find the download link below these videos on our website algorithmictradingsystem.com and do the whole experiment with me. It will work on an original MetaQuotes demo account. MetaQuotes is the company that invented MetaTrader, and as far as I know their demo accounts are available in all countries around the world, without any restrictions or the need to send them passports, legal documents or any of that stuff. The MetaTrader 4 download usually comes with some kind of demo account. You can download the MetaTrader 4 version that I use on the website mql4tutorial.com. I would suggest to open such a demo account from right inside MetaTrader 4, if you have none. To do that, just right-click on Accounts and select Open an account like shown in the screenshot. Afterwards you need to search for MetaQuotes or pick the MetaQuotes server if it is already in the server list. I am using RoboForex at the time of this recording, therefore I now need to click on the MetaQuotes demo account and select New Demo Account in the next screen. Now I have to fill in some data, my email address, and actually I have to subscribe to their newsletter, otherwise the submit button will not be enabled. In the next screen they show me the login credentials and I can click on the Finish button. Some magic happens in the background and 5 seconds later, the account is already connected to the demo server. It is as easy as that. Tomorrow we will learn how to import the MQL4 algo trading demo system and set MetaTrader 4 up for automated trading. If you want to join this journey and benefit from the findings to improve your own algorithmic trading system, please be my guest. Remember, this is all real time. And for me it is real money on a real account, and I promise to be helpful, even this content is automated. Thank you for your attention and best regards from snowy Germany, Raymond Bauer.